So, in our previous lesson, we learned together about Htop and simulated a memory leak on a Linux virtual machine. In this lesson, we will continue learning about Htop, focusing on the input-output tab. So, after executing the Htop command, you will be by default in the main interface or the main tab. To go to the input-output, just select the input-output tab. In the input-output tab, you can see the process ID, the user running the process, disk read-write, disk read-only, and disk write-only, as well as the command being run. Now it's time for some fun, simulating read and write to the disk. Let's go to another tab and let's execute ls. I have two files here, read_spike.sh and write_spike.sh. Let's view the write_spike.sh. So I will execute cat, then write_spike.sh and press enter. This script will create a big file under the temp directory. This command will create a 10 GB file size. We also have a while true condition which will execute the script indefinitely, waiting 1 second after the execution of the dd command to execute it again. Now let's view read_spike.sh. This script will read the file we created from write_spike.sh. It also has a while true condition to execute the command indefinitely, with a 1 second interval between each execution. Let's start with the execution of write_spike.sh. So let's execute bash, then write_spike.sh. Let's go back to the Htop tab, and from the output I see the command we executed, and it shows the disk write, which is like 800 or 700 megabyte per second. The writing process is not only writing to the disk. As you see from the CPU and memory, there is a spike in both. If you are working on a system and find that there is a process writing to the system that causes CPU and memory spikes, you need to investigate this process because it may cause performance issues, slowing down the system and causing other applications running on the system to slow down. Now let's terminate the process. So I will go to the other tab which we executed the script from, and I will just press Ctrl C. Now let's simulate a read process. So I will execute bash read_spike.sh. Let's return to the htop command, and this time we see disk read, which, as you can see, it's 1 GB or 2 GB per second. Sometimes it's 700 kilobyte per second. You will also notice a spike in memory and CPU usage. Let's go to the main tab and let's sort the output by CPU. So to sort the output, I will press F6. Then I will select %_CPU. As you see, the read process we executed consumes a percentage of the CPU and the number is increasing. If you find a process like that, you need to investigate and take action, as this can cause system slowness as mentioned before. Now let's go to the second tab and let's press Ctrl C to terminate the script. And also let's delete the file the script created. So I will do rm/temp then big file. I believe you now see the importance of the top tool in troubleshooting and monitoring. And with that, we get to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.